If you think affordable electric SUVs have to be boring, the 2027 BYD Sealion 5 EV is about to change your mind. This is a compact electric SUV that looks sharp, packs serious power, and brings technology that sounds like it belongs in a much more expensive car. Welcome back to Noir Velocity, and today we're taking a close look at the 2027 BYD Sealion 5 EV. A machine that could be one of the most interesting value plays in the electric SUV world. First, look at it. The Sealion 5 EV has a much more aggressive presence than its price suggests. The front end is clean but dramatic, with slim LED lighting stretching across the nose, sharp headlight elements, a sculpted bumper, and a wide, low visual stance. The black finish makes those lines even more dramatic, especially with the contrasting details and aerodynamic bodywork. From the side, the compact proportions give it a sporty crossover attitude, while the large wheels and dark glass add a premium touch. And from the rear, the futuristic lighting signature gives it a recognizable identity without going overboard. But the real surprise starts when you press the accelerator. This isn't a gasoline SUV pretending to be electric. It's a proper battery electric vehicle with rear-wheel drive, and the latest 2026 version that forms the basis for this 2027 model year discussion offers up to 240 kilowatts, around 322 horsepower, and 270 newton-meters of torque. The quickest version is rated at approximately 5.9 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, with a claimed top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. And because it's electric, there's no waiting for an engine to build revs. You hit the accelerator and the response is immediate. There's no traditional exhaust system and no engine roar. Instead, you get that instant electric shove followed by a futuristic EV soundscape. It may not give you the emotional soundtrack of a performance gasoline SUV, but the acceleration itself can be seriously addictive. Now here, where the Sealion 5 EV becomes even more interesting. The latest version is offered with a 57, 5 kWh or 68, 5 kWh LFP battery, depending on the configuration, with claimed CLTC ranges of 540 or 630 kilometers. The larger battery model is also listed with BYD's fast charging technology, with a claimed 30 to 80% DC charging time of roughly 6 minutes under the specified charging system. Of course, real-world range will depend on speed, weather, temperature, traffic, and driving style, so you shouldn't expect the full CLTC figure every time. But the numbers show exactly what BYD is trying to achieve: an electric SUV that doesn't force you to choose between affordability, performance, and usable range. Step inside, and the character changes completely. The cabin focuses on a clean, modern EV layout with a digital driver display, a large central infotainment screen, a minimalist dashboard, and a floating-style center console design. The all-black interior gives the cabin a sporty atmosphere, while the seats are shaped to provide a more supportive, driver-focused feel. There's also enough space to make this more than just a stylish city crossover. And then you start looking at the technology. Depending on the specification, the Sealion 5 EV can bring BYD's DiPilot 100 driver assistance system, NVIDIA Drive Orin processing, advanced driver assistance hardware, digital key functionality, 5G connectivity, and other connected car features. Higher versions can also feature LiDAR-based hardware for more advanced assistance capabilities. That's impressive because this is where the Sealion 5 starts punching above its weight. You're not simply getting an electric motor and a battery. You're getting a vehicle built around software, screens, connectivity, driver assistance, and a digital experience. And safety is clearly part of that equation. Modern driver assistance technology can help with functions such as adaptive cruise control, lane support, collision warning, and automated emergency responses, although exact equipment varies by trim and market. The important point is that BYD is bringing technology that used to be associated with premium EVs into a much more accessible segment. Now let's talk about the number that might surprise you most, the price. In China, the latest 2026 Sealion 5 EV range starts around 119,900 yuan, with the top version listed around 145,900 yuan, equivalent to roughly $17,700 to $21,500 at the exchange rate used by the cited source. That is domestic market pricing though, and international pricing can be substantially higher once taxes, duties, shipping, and local equipment are included. And that brings us to the big question: does the Sealion 5 EV actually make sense? For me, the answer is yes, especially if BYD can keep this combination of performance, technology, range, and aggressive pricing competitive in international markets. It may not have the badge prestige of a premium European EV. It doesn't produce the soundtrack of a performance gasoline SUV. And some of its most impressive specifications are based on Chinese market versions, rather than a confirmed global 2027 specification. But look at what you're getting. Rear-wheel drive, up to 322 horsepower, a claimed 5.9-second sprint to 100, up to 630 kilometers of CLTC range, advanced charging technology, a modern digital cabin, and serious driver assistance hardware, all wrapped in a design that actually looks exciting. That combination is the real story. The 2027 BYD Sealion 5 EV isn't trying to be the most expensive electric SUV in the parking lot. It's trying to make you wonder why you would spend so much more. And honestly, that could be its biggest strength. This is the kind of EV that makes electric driving feel less like a compromise and more like the obvious choice. If BYD delivers the same formula for the 2027 model year, the Sealion 5 EV could be one of the compact electric SUVs that deserves a very serious look. This is Noir Velocity, and if you want to see more futuristic cars, new EVs, and machines that are changing the automotive world, make sure you subscribe, because the next one might be even crazier.